the first we notice inside the main method, you see that w have the value for 5, right? And h has the value for x. So when it sent back to the method outside the main method, which is the area method, and you see that the value is not changed, right? So you see that the value of h is x and the value of w is 5 as in the inside the main method. So in this case, they call it for optional argument. In this script, we will learn about the optional argument for the second case. Optional argument. This is about the second case. So let's say that when I want to create the program to calculate the area of rectangle by using the method, so I will declare the a, the integer a, and has the initial value from the method area, and in this one I will declare that w stand for, I have the w stand for y, and I use the h stand for stand for the height of the rectangle, like this. So after that, I will display the value of I will display the area of the rectangle to the console, and I say area of our rectangle, here 0, and we use a like this. So after that, we have to create the detail for the method area outside the main method. So in here I will create a static and in and the name area, like this. And in here I will declare that in the integer h and the integer y, which stand for the height and the y of the rectangle. So after that, I will display the value console.write. In here we will write h has the value and y has the value 0, 1, and we write h, then w, like this. So now we have to calculate, right, the area. So the formula for calculate the area of rectangle will be y calculate height, right? So we say return h multiply w, that is. So it will be like this. So what we have to notice that you see this one, right? For the method inside the main, we have the we declare the w, the value of w first, right? And then for the value of the height, but the method area outside, the method area outside the main, we have, you see that the variable is different, right? But when we write in this style, it means that it's no problem even you write in the opposite position. It will no matter for the program. So let's run our program to see the detail. Press Ctrl F on the keyboard. Okay, so now you see that we have the value of H and W as in here. So let's see what happened. You see that the first we notice inside the main method, you see that W have the value for 5, right? And H has the value for 8. So when it sent back to the method outside the main method, which is the area method, and you see that the value is not changed, right? So you see that the value of H is 8 and the value of W is 5 as in the inside the main method. So in this case, they call it for optional argument, which means that even the position is opposite, but it's no matter because you already defined that the W and the H has the value as we define inside the main method. And after that, the program will return the result of calculation, which H multiply W, and which means 5 multiply 8 will be 40. So it will send, it will return, the program will return the value 40 back to the value, to the variable a, and after that it will be displayed to the console as you see in here. And it's about how to use the optional argument.